6 in the morning, crack of dawn, and now we heading to Shenandoah to go drift.
Well, we're about halfway there, and the ride up has been kind of cool because we got all these ground clouds, aka fog. First time being one of the first people here. It's crazy seeing it this empty. My first time coming to this event early. So this event, you can show up whenever you want, any time of the day. They're open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can show up at any time, find a guy, get teched, and get on track. I got a bunch of friends that said they were going to get here around open. So decided to get up early and get out here near open. And somehow I woke up late, got here about 20 minutes after they opened, and I'm still the first one out of my friends to get here. Raggedy ass friends. Getting here all late. Got Jason doing inspections.
This was pulled down. Yo, what's up, dude? The tech?
Yep.
Yeah, hey, Todd will get you. Hold on just a second. So these pulled
When you go down, you'll see like my jack and cooler and shit just in the middle. Completely open, so plenty of space.
What's going on, sir?
Oh, I didn't even sign that thing yet.
Man, you didn't sign it yet. Man.
All he did was take my money and run. The abominable drift box. Chevy power.
When you are out here, it's fun time. I agree, gentlemen. Out here, we have the best time. Matsuri is literally the most infamous summertime event there is. We have nothing but fun. But when you get on that track, you are all fucking business. No questions asked. Helmets on, belts on, head on a swivel, ready for anything. Does everybody have their fire extinguishers? All right, the reason why you got fire extinguishers isn't just for your ass. It's for everybody beside you. Matsuri is every man event. This is a community, not a competition. If your shit's on fire, you don't want to be the only one putting it out while 40 people hold a fucking phone, right? Right? You want people to help you. That'd be the greatest emergency you could have here. So if you see someone's car on fire, it is just as much your responsibility to help put his car out on fire as it is for that man. We all work together. No one fire extinguisher can put out a fire. It is literally impossible with a car because you have a possible accelerant fire. Always be ready to help the man beside you. That's what makes this event what it is. If you need tools, ask for it. If you need help, come get a staff member. We'll help you any way we can. Walk with me. Come on down, come on down. Thank you. This is our grid. We will be releasing into turn 2 right there. Turn 2 is a flat-based bank. That is the shortest bank we have. It is 11 degrees. The other banks are 13 degrees, so they'll hug you a lot better. So when you release into this bank, you gotta check it up. You're gonna have to learn how to enter that bank, I promise you, gentlemen. This is the first time we ever ran this track layout. It's the first time we've ever had a grid right here. It's the first time we've ever released into this bank. Now, when you go around there, you're gonna go into a hairpin. That's gonna drop you back into this carousel you see right here. And you will go through a manji section in the infield. Once you get past the shipping containers right here, you drop into another teardrop. This teardrop right here will lead all the way back into that opening right there. That's another hairpin. Right there after the hairpin, you'll notice there's a couple cones to help you lead you to the exit gate. That way you can exit the facility after you run if you want to, or you can taxi right back into the back of the grid. Keep running, non-stop. Like I said, Matsuri is non-stop. It's meant to be going as fast as possible. I have people that come here and literally get 40 laps in an hour. I know people that can't do 40 laps in a season at other drift events. So if you play your cards right, you can really, really push. What do you got? Stu, question?
I can't do 40 laps in the season.
You can't do 40 laps?
Too
That's
many.
because you got so much badass shit. You gotta come here with the freaking Super 5.0 and shit, flexing on everybody, Stu. Be quiet during the driver's meeting, Stu. Don't talk, bro. You know what I'm saying? You just wanna drip on everybody right quick, you know. I can't do it, you know what I'm saying? Because motherfucker too hard on you and shit. If we know, Stu, we know. No, I'm just messing with you.
One of these.
Well, if it isn't Justin and Steve.
What's happening?
Not much. No, not that. Cause he just caught fire underneath, and then some 350Z.
Oh shit!
Woo! It was on the undercarriage somewhere. They put it out.
Already?
Yeah, first run. They put it out and everything. He drove off.
Oh my lord! You got your car today?
Yeah, the RX-8.
We're gonna tandem today, right?
Shit. Maybe you and Stu.
Automatically, you probably think that I be on some other shit. New niggas come around trying to be on that brother shit. Hand Joe that other clip, better get from round here. How you gonna jump ship and you ain't even from here? I don't get it. Impersonating's cool and it's funny when it happens to them and not you. So the beef, you be in it like swimming in the pool, but this pool's full of hate, so they out to get you. You hop around hoods, niggas hop around you for hop around in they hood like everything's cool. See, they want you affiliations in direct violation of the rules. You ain't even in it, so don't fool around with it. Unless you wanna get you, don't split it. And on the other set that you rippin', no rippin'. Only red pavement, you get left in that. That was first subject, I knew you left with that. Of course. So that's that, basically. It's everything you need to know about being an impersonator. Being what you want, be what you are, man.
That's the RPM right there. We're at like 20,000 RPM. That's 20,000. Sounds like we're about to take off. Jet motor's back there.
We got big ass forehead. Hey. And motherfucking Corey. Hey, I only park sideways, so make sure I save room for y'all.
Yeah, they said they don't have a tire machine and that he said tech inspections are where?
At the gate. So just get all the shit out your car and then go up there.
Oh. I'm like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, they don't have a tire machine.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is unusual because they usually have food trucks out here too. They ain't got food trucks because of Corona.
They still don't have a face mask.
They haven't said nothing about it. Matter of fact, the guy that runs it ain't been wearing one.
Yeah, he hasn't. Where your tent at, bro? It's hot. Hey, nigga, you fucked up.
Fox
G.
body.
You fucked up, G.
Watch what I do without the
All right, folks, that's it for today. Thanks to Jason and Swingset for putting on this awesome event.
Man, come on, man. No, man, no.
Yes, sir.
No,
So,
I couldn't do it without my team.
Yeah, absolutely. The car held up well. The heat wasn't an issue. What else? The jet van was awesome.
The heat was a little bit of an issue for me. That's all I'm saying.
I mean, it was uncomfortable out here.
Dog, I done had to go through a wardrobe change out this bad boy. I'm for real. Like, but otherwise, that track workers did great.
Yeah,
everybody
track did
stayed
great.
in position. Everybody did a great job. We had amazing drives. We had the worst thing that happened all day was the tire came off, but it just hit the wall.
Okay.
Nobody got hurt. We didn't tow one car off track all day.
Awesome.
We didn't tow one car off track. We
We had some stuff come off some cars, but they drove off track. So
Awesome.
Great day at the track.
Good
Thank you,
stuff.
Stuart.
That's
Thank you
what
for
Swingset's
supporting us,
about.
man. Thank you.
Thank you. There we
hey,
go.
Yeah. Got to get the handshake
Hey,
backwards.
Go ahead and close out the video.
Hey, man, love for y'all, man. Thank y'all. Come out to Matsuri. August 22nd is my next event.
Yep.
I don't feel like doing the same thing, so Stu sent me this video. It's going right into mine.
Matsuri forever.
All right, y'all.
Squad move.